Will we put our stop at 259?
Yeah, that's where I'd go. The 11 is just right under it. So, I mean, excuse me, the 21 is just right under it.
I want to try some and put my stop at 259 here. What do you guys think?
I'm already in, yeah.
I'm in.
At least get back to 257.50 or so, I think.
Well, if we keep extending down with the cues, then we're good. And then on the 10-minute, we might have found the trend here after a half hour, you know?
I'd love it. Hoping we did. Hard to go broke being green.
Yeah. Really violent cue sell-off there, you know?
That's what I was thinking. We could sell off here, guys. The Qs could just dump, SPY the same. Market just dumps.
Good position. We're in a good position. I can't lose in this trade, so I'm going to let it eat. It's hungry.
Needs to break 257, and I think it easily it's 256.20 or so quickly.
Needs to get through the 253.93 to really trend down. That might be asking too much.
Oh, I like 256. That would be sweet.
We got no wick on the SPY of the Qs, guys. There's no reason to be out of this trade yet.
No, I'm still in.
Not a bad morning, right?
Yeah, it was excellent.
Mornings I live for.
We may not be done yet, guys, either. We blow through 255. We touch 254 in a hurry.
I only traded 15 today, but you know, still good profit there, you know.
Yeah.
I think if we hold at 56, we're good. It's just I got tired of seeing that wick come back off the 255 again, you know. I got 5 left here. It doesn't hold this 256. I'm out. But it's still it's nice to see this purple line in the 50%. It almost went to 100%, but it went to 618.